Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about the complete breakup of the CET exam. How many questions are coming, which topic is more important. So all those things we're going to cover up in this video. Yep. So if you go to the description box, I've added the PDF of this link. I want you to download the PDF and take a printout of that so that we can have it safe while preparing. So let's start the overview. So logic 75 question, quant 50 question, verbal 50, abstract 25. That's your total 200 mark का paper. So when you give a mock, in fact that's your first target to give a mock of CET so that you can understand आपका कितना आ रहा है. Obviously you'll be scoring less in the first few mocks, 80, 90, 100, 50, 40, whatever you score. I want the breakup. How much you're scoring in logic, how much you're scoring in quant, how much you're scoring in verbal, how much you're scoring in abstract. So each of them we need to find out the score in each of the area. That's your first task, overall task. Okay. Now we move to the second part, more detailed analysis of each of them. So I have divided this complete paper into 8 parts, 4 sections into total 8 parts. So starting with the first section is puzzles. So 30 questions in puzzles, and this is a typical breakup: circular, linear, matrix, day based, floor based, parallel. Each of them 5 marks, total 30 marks ka puzzles. Section number 1. Section number 2 is traditional logic, symbols, input output, direction sense, blood relationship, coin decoding, data sufficiency. 30 marks. I wanted to find out how much you are scoring in this area. And third section is critical reasoning, syllogism, strong weak argument, cause and effect, everything together 15 marks. So total 75 marks paper is divided into 3 parts, 30, 30 and 15. Yep. So same way at seating also we have divided our books into 3 parts. First book, second book, third book. Okay. So we need to, in case you want to join our program, you can buy our books for that. Then come the second part is the shortcuts for everything. So there is a shortcut which is added for matrix, day based, circular, linear, all these workshops we are going to conduct. Yep. And my target for you is in the first month, that is December, we'll cover up the easier puzzle which are comparatively more easier. Matrix, day based and floor based are comparatively more easier. So my target is to cover them in December. Then January I want to pick up circular, linear and parallel. So phase 1, phase 2. Because puzzle is one of the most important area of the CET paper. Yep. Moving to the second part, quant. Total 50 mark paper I have divided into 2 parts, DI and quant. So DI 25 marks or 6 question on each type, then 24 marks. For example, in few of the sets there were no tables, so pie chart, ratio based DI, caselet, fill in the blanks. And I have to find shortcuts in every area. Same way quant, data comparison, number series, data sufficiency, profit and loss, all the chapter. Every chapter of quant is worth 2 to 3 marks. Say 25 marks quant, 25 marks DI. Verbability same way, 50 mark paper divided in 2 parts. Reading, which is para completion, para jumble, RC, all those things 25 questions. And grammar, vocab, close test, which is part of the vocabulary, 25 marks, 2 sections. And abstract 25 questions. So these are the 8 sections of the CET paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I wanted to go deep down into each of this area and find out. So please download this sheet. In the description box I give you the link where you have to register to download the sheet. So the first time you have to register. Next time onwards you don't need to do that. Only once you do that, so you can get this sheet. Update, complete overview of the CET paper. Then start the second task to find out shortcuts and my attempt speed in each of these areas. So all these areas combined together total come out around 40 topics. There are 40 major topics in the CET paper which I have to focus on. Yep, so that I can find out how much I need to score. Alright, so in case you want to join our program, in the description box I also given the link for our programs. You want to buy us our mock series, only mocks you can buy, or the turbo do or die program, which includes your mocks and shortcuts. CET mocks with shortcuts, this is including the books as well. Or you want to only buy the olive books, or CET plus mean all the exams, SNAP and MET, all the exams from now till CET are covered here. Yeah, so the description box I given the link where you can check out the programs you want to buy. So the three main things you might be needing: shortcuts, mocks and books. The three parameters in your CET preparation. Yep. So shortcuts, because we don't have enough time, so 150 minutes and 150 question to be solved. 200 question में से 150 score करना पड़ेगा for JB. Mocks and books. And trust me, we are the only coaching classes providing updated books, updated mocks and updated shortcuts for the CAT exam, for the CET exam, sorry. Yeah, so in the description box I given the link where you can download this PDF, and the link where in case you want to join our program, you can join the program. All right, all the best.